Thank you for watching this Alliance Sensors Group video. Today we will demonstrate how to calibrate the leading industrial SC-200 LVDT signal conditioner. To perform this task, you will need the following tools and materials: a 24-volt DC power supply, a DC voltmeter, an SC-200 LVDT signal conditioner, an LVDT test fixture with digital micrometer, an AC LVDT, and a small screwdriver. Before proceeding, factory default settings are adequate for most standard industrial LVDTs, and no adjustments are typically required. In the event that the LVDT requires different settings from the factory defaults, you will need to adjust the SC-200 to match your particular LVDT requirements. To perform these adjustments, the dip switches can be accessed by pushing in the tabs on both the top and the bottom sides of the case with a small screwdriver, then sliding out the board to access the electronics. Please consult the label on the case or the Quick Start Guide instructions for proper dip switch position and jumper settings for RS-485 addressing, excitation frequencies, voltages, analog output settings, and filtering. After the internal dip switches have been set, begin by connecting the power supply. Connect the positive side of the power supply to terminal 4 of the red J4 terminal block, and the negative side of the power supply to terminal 3. Next, connect the digital voltmeter, which will measure the output from the SC-200. Connect the positive side of the voltmeter to terminal 4 of the J3 green terminal block, and the negative side of the voltmeter to terminal 3. When connecting the LVDT, attach the primary high of the LVDT to terminal 1 of the J1 black terminal block, and the primary low to terminal 2. Connect the secondary low of the LVDT to terminal 3 of the J1 black terminal block, and attach the secondary high to terminal 4. Both secondary center tap wires must be connected together and can be attached to terminal 1 of the J2 blue terminal block for convenience. For this demonstration, we'll be using an AC LVDT with a plus and minus 0.25 inch measuring range, or a 0 to 0.5 inch total stroke, and the SC-200 analog output setting set at 0 to 10 volts output. Now, with all the connections made and the LVDT positioned into the test fixture, we will apply 24 VDC power to the SC-200. The red power LED on the face of the unit will illuminate, indicating power is present. The green P LED will illuminate as well, indicating that the SC-200 is operating as a master. It's important to allow 15 minutes for the SC-200 to fully warm up before proceeding with calibration. With the SC-200 fully warmed up, we are ready to place the SC-200 into calibration mode. This is accomplished by pressing the full scale and 0 buttons simultaneously until the power LED begins to blink, indicating we have successfully entered the calibration mode. Using the micrometer, adjust the LVDT until the SC-200 0 indicator LED glows solid. This is the null point of the LVDT, meaning that the core is at its center stroke. We now reset the digital micrometer readout to 0. Next, using the digital micrometer, displace the LVDT by minus 0.25 inches. This will take us to the negative end, or 0-inch position of the LVDT's stroke range, and will be the SC-200's 0 VDC output position. Enter the 0 point position into the SC-200 by momentarily holding the 0 button until the positive indicator blinks once. The negative indicator will now glow solid, and the positive indicator will begin to blink. This shows that we have successfully set the 0 point position. We now reset the digital micrometer readout to 0. Next, we displace the LVDT by plus 0.5 inches. This will take us to the positive end, or 0.5 inch position of the LVDT's stroke range, and will be the SC-200's 10 VDC output position. When the position has been reached momentarily, hold the full scale button until both the positive and the negative indicators illuminate solid. This indicates that the calibration has been successfully completed. Finally, to return the SC-200 to operation mode, press both the full scale and 0 buttons until the power indicator glows solid. The device is now ready for operation. We now observe that, as displayed on the DC voltmeter, that the output voltage from the SC-200 is 0 VDC, with the LVDT at the 0 position, and 10 VDC with the LVDT at the 0.5 inch position. Thank you for watching this instructional video. If you require additional support, please visit our website at alliancesensors.com or call us at 856-757-0250, and our staff engineers will quickly provide you with a solution.